Welcome to Scholar OS. In this crash course, we'll walk you through the Financial Preset feature, a powerful tool to streamline and standardize billing for different grade levels. To begin, go to the Admissions tab and select the Financial submenu. There, you'll find the Preset option, where you can create and manage preset fee structures for different grade levels. Click on Create New Preset to begin. First, select a preset type, billing or transactions based on your needs. Then, enter a name for the preset, for example, 2025 to 2026 Early Years Nursery, to help keep your presets organized. Next, select the school and grade level to ensure the appropriate fee components are applied correctly. These two options play a crucial role in maintaining accurate financial records. Now, click on the newly created preset. Add the required fee components. You can include tuition, application fee, capital fee, EAL fees, and more. Simply enter the amount for each component, ensuring consistency across students in the grade you selected. Once you've configured the preset, click Submit. The system will now provide you this preset whenever you create billings for students in the assigned grade levels and schools. Now, let's apply a preset for an enrolled nursery student. Navigate to the Enrollment section and select a student in the nursery grade. Then, switch to the New Billing tab. While you have the option to enter each fee component manually, a preset is already available. Simply select the new preset with the default currency, and the amounts will be applied automatically. Click Submit to save the billing information. The Financial Presets feature is highly useful for streamlining standard billing and transaction processes. Start creating financial presets today to make your school financial management more efficient. Thank you for watching. For more tips and tutorials, visit our Help Center or contact our support team. Happy managing with Scholar OS.